Hey guys, Coach John, just sharing a moment with you. Just out in nature for a moment, just making myself accountable to you, with you, for the moment. Thought I would do a little bit of energy building today with you. Do some energy building or some natural healing or emotional healing or increasing prosperity or happiness, increasing joy, increasing enthusiasm, building optimism, right? Changing attitude. Attitude creates altitude, as if they say. Your attitude determines your altitude, right? Just being present out here in nature, just breathing, just being present, just being accountable, just making myself accountable. Just to breath. With each inhale and exhale, we are in interaction with the nature, right? Each inhale and exhale is a sharing with the nature, right? Just moving and just breathing and working on ourselves for the day, working on our very best health, our very best wealth, our very best relationships for the day. Here I am just carrying my weight. We should all carry our weight for the day. Feel our weight. I want to try to make a nice straight line in my body. I want to carry my weight and I want to put my body in a nice straight line. And I want to focus on my breaths. Inhale and exhale. Nice, full, deep breaths. Let's see, inhale and the exhale. The complete inhale and exhale is whole. We want to do integrative or whole self integrative activities. With whole breath, awareness, consciousness of the whole breath. Getting into a position, stretching, strengthening the body. It's movement. It's earth contact. If you can get it out in nature, wow. This is super powerful, to be in the light of nature. To be in the breath with nature. And to just do some natural moving and some conscious awareness of our breath. And then some imagery, creating some imagery in mind, like thinking and talking about what we want to create. Working on our health, our wealth, our prosperity, our wellness, our relationships, more love in our lives, growing more love in our lives. So setting an intention for your day, right? Setting an intention every day, right? Breathing and thinking and speaking, taking action in alignment with your goal. What's your goal? To be better? Do you want to be better? Imagine better. See yourself better. How would you feel you were better? How would you feel if you were in charge of your better? How would that make you feel? Empowered? Is that personal empowerment? Taking charge of your health, of your wealth, of your relationships? Isn't it good to step into the driver's seat in your life, right? Just stretching and strengthening my body, just moving and breathing, just sharing a moment, just spending a moment, right? Just doing natural movements. What does the body do naturally? Movement. What is movement? Flexion, extension, rotation. Movement is about the spine. It's the spine that gives the human our mobility. So that's flexion and extension of the spine. So we want to make sure that we flex and extend our spine for the day. We want to straighten out the body or align the body. So we want to make that intention. I am aligning myself for the day. I am grounding myself in the present moment for the day. Just adding some breath to my movement, to my rotation. Flexion, extension, rotation. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. And the other side, same thing. And some balance. How to be balanced if I don't practice balance? How to have good balance if I never practice balance? All things in nature balance. Practicing balance is natural. Natural practice, natural breath, natural breathing, natural thought, classical thought, and word creates an imagery, a powerful imagery inside of ourself for the day. Brings up our energy. Getting into flow. There are two energies here, right? Getting into flow, right? Two energies here. Always two, right? And you can balance these energies in yourself, and you can balance these energies in your other relationships in your life. Moving and breathing. Exhale, inhale. Just physical, mental, and emotional wellness. Movement and breath and natural food, living food, and fasting. Light movement, foundational core focused functional movement, full body, consistent, positive thoughts, words, and actions. Foods, thoughts, words, and actions. Getting into a rhythm, a system, a lifestyle. Get my 7-day free health challenge. Join my private group and get started. Understanding how you can restore your health for yourself at 50, right? 50 and fit. If you want to be 50 and fit, join my private group. Have yourself a super awesome, terrific